चेक ऑलमोस्टर्स वर्सेस अनडिफिटेबल्स. थोड़ा पेस अप कर दीजिए. वो अंधेरी में आप खेलते तो वी कैन टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज फटाफट घर पहुंच सकते हैं. यू हैव टू गो बैक. इट्स अ बिगर डिस्टेंस एक्चुअली. थोड़ी सी जल्दबाजी कीजिए. Puneet Gidwani is here. Yesterday he wasn't there. Another opening batter who plays well in all MCS and big matches tournaments. देखते हैं वही फॉर्म उनका अभी भी बरकरार है क्या नहीं. A player who has already scored some half centuries in past, who scores 40s for fun. Let's see what this player can do today. Dhawal and Puneet Gidwani, the opening pair. Oh, straight. So much action from ball number 1. That is what Danish would have told him in the dugout. Do not take anything lightly. Be on your toes. Be ready for things to come. And first ball right on spot. A dot delivery. It is a no ball. Opportunity for Puneet to get his first sixer. Yes, that is what he does. He gets his first sixer. Well played, Puneet. He gets off the mark in the Addict Summer Cup with a sixer. Great to see these guys performing, because these are the guys who have been playing cricket for so many years and they are still adjusted with the modern way of playing, attacking, bowling over here. That's good to see. And Puneet is going strong. Great to see. Effortless sixer. And this is not an easy bowler to handle. Asif is a pretty good bowler. To hit him for 2 sixes back to back is a big plus. I was susceptible whether Puneet would be able to perform the way he performed, but he would be also happy that he has got 2 sixes in 2 balls. Oh, Dr. Abu is here. Great to see him. Missing his action. And one thing Puneet has not missed is his 6 hitting abilities. 3 sixes in a row. 6, 6 and a 6 again. No ball. He's slightly under pressure, bowling some short balls, then bowling some full tosses. Puneet has got a good measure of him. 20 runs. Make it 26. 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes for the opening batter. I said he is known for making big scores. I thought he would not be able to make that kind of impact. He has been impactful from the ball 1. Fantastic batting by the young opener. 26 without loss after the end of first over. Siraj is just telling him, I hit 5 sixes. There is complete democracy. That is so good to see. Danish listens to everybody's views, takes his own call, but take less time. Decision making has to be quick now. Best, he is one of the better captains because he allows the wicketkeeper to take charge. When Harsh is taking charge as a wicketkeeper, he listens to him. Or maybe right now Sohail. All good ingredients about Danish in this tournament. He listens to everybody's views and he takes his own call. Undefeatables is a team to beat now. They have got a compact side with a fantastic opening pair. He won't spare anyone. He won't spare anyone. He has got a measure of this turf now. Fifth sixer for Puneet Gidwani. That's why I call. He is known for scoring half centuries. He has got half. In fact, he has got a quarter now. 25 runs. In fact, 30 runs to his own. 5 sixes for Puneet. 5 in 5 balls. He has got 6 sixes in 6 balls. 4 sixes of the last over and 2 sixes in this over. 6 sixes of 6 balls. Puneet Gidwani, he still has that fire in him. Everybody was worried about Joseph. Everybody was worried about Yash Kothari. Everyone was worried about Muddu. Puneet Gidwani has come out of syllabus. Puneet Gidwani is almost a PhD question being asked in 10 standard. 6 balls, 6 sixes for Puneet Gidwani. Will he make 7 in 7? 7 balls, 7 sixes for Puneet Gidwani. Can he make 18-8? That is the only question. इनकी बहुत बड़ी थार है, जैसे थार में ड्राइव कर रहे वैसे बैटिंग कर रहे. He's driving his way now, as smooth as you can get. 7 balls, 7 sixes. ये दिखते बहुत खतरनाक है. रॉक स्टार. 7 balls, 7 sixes. इकबाल अब्दुल्ला के दोस्त है, लेकिन बैटिंग सूर्य कुमार की तरह कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. एंड he moves on to 43. 43 of 12 balls. 7 balls, 7 sixes. Can anybody match Puneet's record now? So 2 overs, 47 runs without loss. यश कोठारी के बारे में सोच रहे थे, हुजैफ खान पठान के बारे में सोच रहे थे, मुद्दू के बारे में सोच रहे थे. दे वर थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑल डिफरेंट प्लेयर्स. वॉच आउट फॉर पुनीत गिडवानी. सारी टीम के रन्स उसने अकेले ने बना दिए. 43 रन्स आउट ऑफ 47. पाणी प्यायला गेलेत. मराठीत म्हणतात ना, पाणी पिऊन पाणी पाजायची तयारी करतोय. This guys, undefeatables, would love these two guys to continue. It's a fast ball, dead ball, and the first warning. He has got him. Dhawal is out. अभी टीम बहुत प्रॉब्लम में. या तो इस टीम को अब तेजस ही बचा सकता है. तेजस कांबळे. बैटिंग बॉलिंग प्रॉब्लम आ गया, तेजस के पास जाओ. क्या बात है शैलेश भाई, सुपर अलर्ट फील्डिंग. How do you stop him? Got a 50 yesterday and he is continuing with that. He opens his account with a sixer. एक से बचोगे तो दूसरे से पीटोगे. पिटाई तो दोनों तरफ से हो रही है. Oh, that was a big. Yesterday also he got 2 lives and he got life out of the bowlers' numbers later on. That was hit hard. Good effort, Sohail. सुपा एवढे हात आहेत त्याचे मराठीत म्हटलं तर. All big hands. Still not able to grab it. And that is what he did exactly yesterday. After the drop chance, he gets a sixer. 59, can you believe? We are still into the third over. 129 seems to be in danger. $59 for one. Avish also has been taken to cleaners. Three balls, three sixes for Yash Kothari. Four balls and three sixes, I beg your pardon. सिराज यू 1-3 तीन मैच जीते ना सिराज कितने तीन जीते 2 so one more win is needed for them तीन जीते हैं ना so they are confirmed almost confirmed of qualification that is what they would be thinking but nothing is confirmed until you get all your results in something for them to think now. The score is 65 now. They are going at a rate of 22.66 runs per over. Puneet Gidwani on strike. He has got 43 of 12. क्या करके आता है ये बंदा? He is hit sixes for fun. Almost the most powerless sixes. बिल्कुल touch करता है बस गेंदों को. He does not try to hit it. And how does he get that measure right? His 8th six. आठवां छक्का मारा इन्होंने. That's his 50. If he finishes off. Yes, 50 inches, 14 balls, the fastest 50 of the tournament in his first match. Puneet Gidwani has done it again. I've seen his 4th 50 in the last 4 years. This man is superb. 72 for 1. Yash Kothari comes on strike. It is a no ball. The score moves on to 73. White ball, 74. We are still into the 4th over. Make it 82 with that, in fact 80 with that sixer. And how much has Yash scored? 24 in just 7. Strike rate of almost 300. In fact, strike rate of 350. Absolute carnage against all monsters. Undefeatables. It's almost demolishing their opposition's bowling. No answers they have got to this man's batting. He takes a single, goes to the other end. 81 for 1 in the 4th over. लोगों के 7 ओवर में 80 हो जाते हैं. They got it in 3.5 overs. This time, oh, they give him a, that's a difficult chance. 82 for 1. He moves on to 51. Last ball of the fourth over. लास्ट बॉल, एक बॉल आहे सर, एक नो बॉल था उसमें, एक नो बॉल एक वाइड, कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नो बॉल एंड वाइड, एक नो बॉल एक वाइड है। ये अच्छा है ना, गुजराती में बोल दे तो एक दोनों भाइयों को समझ में आता है फटाफट। स्कोर इज 82 फॉर 1 नाउ। लास्ट बॉल। The score stays on 82, 82 for 1 at the end of 4 overs. They are going at a rate of 20.5 runs per over. 20.5 रन प्रति ओवर। 82, 20.5 runs per over. You only have 6 minutes to bowl your remaining 2 overs. He was completely beaten there. That is the reason हर्ष और तेजस इनको जल्दी गेंदबाजी के लिए लाना जरूरी था, बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंडर्स एक अलग एंगल पोस्ट करते हैं, दे कैन टेक द बॉल अवे। So 2 dot balls in a row. All of a sudden Harsh Panchal has turned the game. Chance, and Sohail takes it. Well played, Puneet. Century in his first match. Huzaif Khan Pathan comes in. Yes, everybody is in tracks. Huzaif has come in his baggies. अलग बंदा है, अलग स्टाइल है इसकी। Yes, because of this over things have changed. That is what Danish feels and that is what is the right thing. इस एक ओवर ने मैच को थोड़ा सा पैरिटी में ले आए हैं। जो स्कोर 125 150 लग रहा था, अब वो शायद 110 120 के अंदर भी रुक सकता है। 82, still no runs in this over, not a single run. He will come and agonize you. एक से बचोगे तो दूसरे से पीटोगे। पिटाई कंफर्म। 88 for 2. Gets 2 and 2. 2 sixes in 2 balls. 94 for the loss of 2 wickets. This is a deadly pair. Yash Kothari, Huzaif Khan Pathan. And the score moves on to 95. In fact, that's a 98. 98 for 2 at the end of 5 overs. वो शाहरुख खान की कोई तो मूवी का डायलॉग है ना, मियाँ भाई की डेयरिंग और पटेल का दिमाग। राइट नाउ दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। हुजैफ खान पठान एंड यश कोठारी, these two guys playing together. अभी इतनी बार यश कोठारी ने स्टंप्स के राउंड मार लिए ना, ऐसे लगता है कि यश को स्टंप्स के साथ ही शादी करनी पड़ेगी। 98 for 2 at the end of 5 overs. You are watching at the most destructive batsman, the most consistent batsman. ओवरऑल में ओमसाई बैंड्रे को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, अनडिफिटेबल्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं इस टूर्नामेंट में। 9 balls 25 runs. चांस टेकन वेरी वेल. इसलिए मैं कह रहा था तेजस को लेकर आओ जल्दी. तेजस कैन बी द मैन हु कैन मेक अ डिफरेंस. ये उल्टे हाथ के प्लेयर काम सीधा कर देते हैं. ये हर्ष पांचाल ने भी वही किया, लेकिन हर्ष पांचाल वाज ट्रीटेड विद सम सिक्सर्स. तेजस इज द गो मैन. जब जब टीम मुसीबत में आई है, तेजस की गेंदबाजी काम आई है, तेजस की बल्लेबाजी काम आई है. $98 for 3 फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ही गेट्स आउट. कल के मैच में नॉट आउट रहे थे यश कोठारी. 98 for 3 ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. अब ये सूरज भी इनमें ऐड कर दो. अरे ये बैट्समैन की टीम है, रावण के सर है, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे. ब्रिलियंट टू वॉच. इफ यू वांट टू हैव सम फन, वॉच आउट फॉर दिस टीम. और ऑलमोस्ट 9 एक बैट्समैन को छोड़ के सारे बैट्समैन ने आते ही पहले गेंद पे छक्का मारा है. एवरी बैट्समैन हैज स्टार्टेड विद अ सिक्सर. अब कैसे इनसे बचे. 2 balls and he has got 10 runs for himself. ये दुख खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. ऑल मॉन्स्टर्स 109 for 3. अब सुरेश इन सबसे खतरनाक बल्लेबाज है. बाईस 110 पे 3 undefeatables. If you can beat this team, you can be the champions even. Right now, they almost look like a team to beat. Yesterday, they were almost beaten by the opposition. Today, they are making sure they get a very big score. Nelson on the board now, 111 for 3. Very well bowled, Tejas. Just for that 6 and 4, he has bowled a good over. Last ball, 12 runs he has conceded. He has got a wicket. It's a wide 112. Last ball of his over. Suraj spoils his figures. In fact, Hussain it is 118 for 3 at the end of 6 overs. 130 is the highest score. I don't think that would be the highest score anymore after this over. सुरेश को ऑक्शन में कितने पैसों में लिया है? I don't know. एक 118 की गाड़ी आया करती थी. ये फिलहाल इनकी मर्सिडीज की स्पीड से जा रहे हैं. 118. एक 119 runs on the scorecard. Suresh Saroj on strike. This man is special. You talk about all players. This man has very strong abilities. अगर आप इसको फील्डिंग में देखोगे, if he throws the stumps with the direct hits, 90%, in fact 99% of the time he hits the stumps. 125. Very well bowled by Shailesh. Nicely bowled, kept the length of the ball short. They take a single, 1-2-6. हुजैफ खान पठान 5 गेंदों में 22 रन, स्ट्राइक रेट 440 का. फिलहाल तो झटका दिया है सामने वाली टीम को 440 का इनकी बैटिंग ने. सूरज सरोज 6 गेंदों में 17 रन, हुजैफ 5 गेंदों में 22 रन. Oh, that goes through his hands. That's the highest score, 132 for 3 in 6.4 overs. He got a 38 in the previous match. He has got 28 in this match. How do you stop him? Good stop by Sharfuddin, a single to take the score to 133. Can he finish off in style? Suraj, the last ball of the innings, 133 for 3. One three four. That is the highest score of the tournament so far. Absolute carnage. No extras, just pure hitting. एक 136 का टारगेट रखेंगे. 135 रन पूरे हो चुके हैं. 136 to win in 7 overs. They exactly need 19 runs every over. In fact, 19 and a half runs every over.
Hello. Can we have the coin, please? Kishore. Coin. कौन है? Undefeatables ना? अनुज, मुकेश. टॉस के लिए.
ये नॉनवेज है क्या? ये नॉनवेज है? वेज है ना?
So we are ready for the toss, and in the meanwhile, while they're taking a team meeting for undefeatables, we'll speak to the owner of Itrani Aces, Tarveen bhai. कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये सेटअप और क्या उम्मीद है अपनी टीम से?
पूरी उम्मीद है मेरे को अपनी टीम से कि हम सेमीफाइनल तो आने वाले हैं. अगला मैच हम जीतेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जीतोगे. मुझे यश ने बोला था. अब नेक्स्ट मैच एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा है. यश वर्सेस यश है. यश तोलानी वर्सेस यश कोठारी. मुकेश. मुकेश, do it later. Let's go for the toss first. आप स्पिन कर रहे हो? कॉल. And knit on it is. Anuj, interview please. A small interview, short interview, no? Okay, so that's it from the toss. The toss is won by undefeatables and they've elected to bat first. Anuj, please maintain decorum. There have been complaints. Good यार. Take it कोठारी.
अपना गेम खेलने का. Check. So 136 is what the target is. और इतना बड़ा प्लेयर है अनुज, आपका यूज ही नहीं हो रहा है, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ रही अनुज तक बैटिंग करने की. अनुज मिश्रा, बैट्समैन बॉलर, ही इज अ वेरी गुड वन.
Hello. So we're ready for the next match. The next innings, I would say. And first over by Dhawal Shah. The target is 136 runs. That's a massive target, the biggest one since yesterday. I think the way batsmen are going in this tournament, I think this is also in danger in the future. Let's see what happens. A lot of my favorite players like Anuj Mishra on the field, very athletic, waiting for him to put some diving efforts, and so that the crowd is very, very happy. A lot of people messaging me from Dubai and all over the country, 12 Jyotirlings, about Anuj Mishra and his inclusion in undefeatables. Now we also have Dhawal Shah. Dhawal Shah is wearing an orange cap already, but bowling this time. Highest run scorer. Ready for the first over. Siraj takes strike. Here we go. It's a massive total. Goes for the first six, and that is the start that was needed by the All Monsters. I think any target is very, very dangerous, but I think it's not unachievable. All Monsters is a formidable side with amazing batting skills. And a full toss not required there by Dhawal Shah. Valiant attempt there. Valiant attempt there by Yash Kothari. Michael Jordan-like jump, but couldn't help his cause. Goes for another six. That's exactly not what the undefeatables wanted after scoring 136. I still think it's a huge way to go, big way to go, but Dhawal Shah has to come back strongly here. I can see Puneet Gidwani not taking the field. I think he's tired after hitting those sixes, big sixes, with his huge bat. That's a 10 kg bat that he uses. Got it, I don't know from where. That's a dead ball. That's a dead ball. Goes for another one, and there is Yash Kothari. You can't breach him. You need a clean hit to get past Yash Kothari, and Siraj loses wicket. Was lofting it well, but could only manage 2 sixes, and now Avesh. Avesh comes in, very pricey player. Playing for All Monsters this time. AP is what he's written behind his back, Avesh Pathan. And his counterpart is his own brother, Huzaif Khan. Huzaif Khan playing for undefeatables, and Avesh Pathan. This is like Steve Waugh versus Mark Waugh, Hardik Pandya versus Krunal Pandya. Let's see what Avesh... I don't think he has time to settle. He'll go for the big hits from the first ball itself. That's my guess. Let's see what he does. Goes for it and that could have been taken, I think, but falls very steeply. Anuj Mishra needs to man some boundaries for some amazing catches. That's a no ball and a six not required there by Dhawal Shah. That's the variation that he wanted to attempt to get a wicket, but Dhawal Shah only manages to get a no ball, and Avesh Pathan, good to the task, gets a 6. So that's 19 runs already in 4 balls. 4 balls, yes. 4 balls, 19 runs already being scored. Undefeatables look under pressure. They shouldn't be. It's 136 runs. It's a big task. The environment is looking very, very fiery right now. That's a white ball. 20 runs already in the first over. 20 runs already. That's another white ball there. 21 runs. The score moving on slowly but surely without any balls being conceded. Dhawal Shah practicing. And goes for it and drops the catch. It's a free hit. I think Mukesh forgot it's a free hit. Mukesh, it was free hit. Take it easy, man. And that's an amazing hit there. 27 runs off the first over. If I'm not wrong, 27 runs, right? 27 runs after the end of one over for the loss of Siraj. And let's see who comes in. Oh, this is going to be a good contest. Brother versus brother. It's like Mitch Marsh bowling against Sean Marsh. Anuj Mishra taking the key positions in the field. Wants to be where the ball is being hit the most so that he can convert those amazing catches. Wants to contribute to the team. Goes for it and out. First wicket for Huzaifa Pathan. And now let's see who comes in. They have a big, strong batting lineup. Sharfuddin Sheikh. It looks like he's coming in, and it's going to be a mouth-watering contest because it's Huzaifa Khan against Sharfuddin and Avesh Pathan. The only way all monsters can make their way in is by scoring big runs, big sixes, at least 3 in every over. It's not unachievable. They've already got 4 in the first over. That's a good start. They're on line, on track. Crazy. Crazy's come in the sun. He's applied sunscreen. That's a wide ball. It's a wide ball. Score moving on to 22 runs. That's another wide ball. 23 runs. 29, sorry, 29. $29 runs. 30. Dead ball, acha. What a Yorker. What a Yorker there by Huzaifa Khan. And goes for the 6. Passes Yash Kothari. It means it's a clean hit. What an attempt there by Yash Kothari. Acrobatic. If there's someone who could have stopped it, it would have been Anuj Mishra, but he's standing ahead. Goes for another one. Only one, I think, this time. They've got almost 10 runs in this over. It's a good over. Huzaifa Khan is very, very economical. Is a defensive bowler. Doesn't look for wickets. Only plays for the team. This is an amazing contest. Huzaifa against Avesh. Let's see who wins this battle. I think Huzaifa has won this one. Did not allow Avesh to put it in the boundary. It was like Keyur Gilani versus Sachin Gilani. When is that happening? The league owner Vijay Mozar is here, wearing very, very expensive t-shirt today for the final day of this tournament. $25,000 for that t-shirt. Indraprasth. That's out. Suresh Sarosh doesn't need anyone else. Did not allow Mukesh to take the catch. Mukesh was waiting for the catch. Well done, Mukesh. Very good cover. That's a wicket, and now in comes Harsh Panchal, left-handed batter. So 2 lefties now. I've seen a lot of times a lot of bowlers find it difficult to bowl against left-handers as compared to the right-handers. I hope he bowls a nice one to white ball. White ball, and Sharfuddin goes big. This would be out. Yes, it's Muddu. Muddu doesn't drop many. So there's another observation that we're seeing here. Muddu is against his brother too. His brother's playing in All Monsters, Muddu's playing in Undefeatables. This is a clash of brothers. Score? $39 runs. $39 with the wide.
Thank you so much. I have called him even couple of times, Darshan Modi, for a few of my auctions where I had a big assignment. He said no. I do it for Dada, he says. I said I do it for money. 39 for 4. We are into the third over. That's out the outside half of the bat. The score moves on to 40. If you want to watch the most exciting match of the tournament, this is the match. यही वो मैच है जहां पे आपका पैसा वसूल होने वाला है. They say time is money. अगर आपका टाइम आपको यूटिलाइज करना है, एंजॉय करना है, this is the match. Final before the finals. So that hit his boot. He did not attempt a shot. हर्ष पांचाल इस चेस का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर होगा ये. You can't bowl him there. You definitely can't bowl him there. A sixer and a no ball and a free hit to boot. 47 for 4. So almost 1/3 of the runs are done. In fact, more than 1/3. 35% of the runs are done. 65% of the runs remaining. Oh, that is a smooth and short than anyone else. What a shot that was, just a flick. Great to watch. A one ball cost him 13 runs. 53, almost the same score which they had. 53 for 3 at the end of 53 for 4 at the end of 3. Equation seems to be very interesting now. They need exactly 83 runs in 24 balls. They need to score at a rate of 20.75. 20.75 20.75 धावा प्रति षटक. तर एकच समोर आहे दानिश फारुकी, दुसऱ्या बाजूला आहे फलंदाज हर्ष पांचाळ. गोलंदाजीला आलाय तो बँड्राचा यश कोठारी. यश कोठारी वर्सेस दानिश फारुकी या दोघांमधील सामना आहे. 53 धावा 4 गडी बाद. 24 चेंडू 83 धावांचं लक्ष्य. षटकामागे 20 धावांचं लक्ष्य अजिबात कठीण नाही आहे दानिश आणि त्याच्या सोबत खेळणाऱ्या हर्ष पांचाळला. Oh, Crazy, you should have taken it. Crazy is a big football fan. He thought it is the goal which he has to save. Almost he wanted to pop it up and take, just like Suraj Suresh. Suraj बोलता है जो मैं कर सकता हूँ तुम लोग नहीं कर पाओगे. He just wanted to pop the ball up. Oh, that is his son. The match is on. This left-hander is the most stylish batsman of all monsters. Certainly one of the most effective ones. 64-4. This is the biggest match of Adik Sama Cup. This is getting heated up in the summer. Make it 2-2. In fact, no, just hit the roof. Quick call of no. Good calling by the umpire. Every time the umpire gives a quick call, there is an opportunity for the batsman to be alert and go for the big shot. Another no ball. 62 for 4. They just have to close their ears, become deaf for some time, and just follow what your heart says and what your brain directs you to do. They need 74 in 22. With Danish there, I can promise you a lot of entertainment. It is a no ball. Another free hit continued. He missed out. किधर मारेगा अभी वो? पीछे फाइन लेग पे छक्का. That is what he's telling. They need 73 in 20. The match is on. 73 in 22 with a free hit to boot. Oh, that's a Yorker. Yash Kothari can bat, Yash Kothari can field, Yash Kothari can bowl even. He is the best fielder of the tournament when it comes to saving the boundary. Rightly pointed out by Darshan Modi that he is one of the best boundary riders. People talk about his batting, people talk about his bowling. I feel he is the best fielder in the whole tournament when it comes to saving a boundary. Very, very acrobatic and athletic. A dot delivery after a long, long time. 21 में 73, 21 चेंडू 73 धावा. It's a no ball. At the last moment I thought Danish is going to hit it with one hand. Oh, this is super stuff from the glamour boy of underarm cricket. 20 balls, 66, 136 looks a very small score now. And these two guys are enjoying. Some time back, all the smiles on the faces were vanished. The smiles are back on their faces, all monsters. They are smiling their way towards victory now. The expressions have changed. Roles have reversed in just a 10 minutes. In fact, under 10 minutes. 70 for 4. Make it another. Oh, great stop. That is the reason they rate him very highly. You talk about Yash Kothari, Muthu has taken more catches than anyone riding the boundary. 71 for 4. Every year, Muthu's catch is rated the best. 71 for 4, last ball of the over. Equation very interesting. 19 ball, 65 runs. 19 चेंडू 65 धावा. Very, very achievable. The most calming factor in the team is Anuj Mishra. Every time the team is trouble, he just goes and says, "ठीक है भाई, we can manage." You need a player like him. 19 balls, 65 runs. "19 balls, 64 runs to win." They need 54, in fact 58 runs in next 3 overs. Exactly 58 needed, very much on. 58. You have to bowl 2 overs in the next 4 minutes. इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में 4 मिनट में आपको एक ओवर डालने मिलती है. You can bowl 2 overs. Otherwise, one of your boundary riders will be inside. वापिस एक बार बता देते हैं. The umpire has already given you a call. It is not my official announcement. It is umpire's call. 4 minutes to bowl 2 overs. 2 overs इसलिए क्योंकि 6 ओवर का आपको लिमिट दिया है. It's going to be a long, long over. Very important balls. Next 6 balls might decide the fate of this game. This over can win it for them, or this over can get the match away from them. और स्टॉप लॉक रोक दिया है अभी सर ने. जीतू सर इज स्मार्ट. 18 balls, 58 runs to win. It's a power play over. Mandatory power play over. Oh, he gets another, slightly fortuitous, but he will accept it with both hands. This match is on. Right now, all monsters dugout is the one which is more favored to win this one now. 52 in 17. Danish is turning the heat along with his partner, Harsh Panchal. Oh, that is beautifully bowled. He is opening the lock with a different action. Flick of the wrist. Oh, this is the best shot of the lot. Hitting it from the reverse action and flicking it into that mid-wicket region behind his legs. That is a classy shot. Not an easy shot to hit it from behind. The ball was turning and he had to adjust that turn. That is below 50 now. In fact, just 46 needed. It is a no ball. It is a free hit opportunity. 15 balls, 45 runs, free hit chance. Oh, stop. That is the reason this man is highly rated. He is the best fielder of the tournament by a big margin. This sixer can be the difference between winning and losing. 44 in 14. Outstanding fielding. Only he could have done that. Off the ricochet that too. 14 में 44. No ball. Oh my God. 14 balls, 43 runs. If you bowl like this, even 150 is not defendable then. Oh, that is elegant. That is smooth. That is so artistic. They are butchering the ball. They are hammering a few balls. This was almost like a paintbrush in the hands of an artist. What a smooth shot. 99 for 4. They move on to 99 now. 13 balls, 37 runs. 13 balls, 37 runs. They need, it is a no ball. Who gave the no ball? बारह में रन बनाने अब 36 शायद, राइट? 12 balls, 36 runs to win. छत्तीस, 12 आणि 36. नंबर 7 है जानीस का, मतलब 7-12 उतारना पड़ेगा. और 36 रन, 36 का आंकड़ा भी अलग होता है. देखते हैं किसका 7-12 निकल जाता है. 12 गेंदों में 36 रन, 7 नंबर का खिलाड़ी. Yesterday's hero, the guy who defended 13 runs in the last over, comes in to bowl in the second last over. He's bowling the penultimate over. Let's see who bowls the final one. "12 balls, 35 runs to win." It is a power pack batting team. They need some bowlers. Oh, this man is demolishing him. That is the reason I said Harsh Panchal is the most valuable player for the team. He has got 39 of 11. The time's up, so in the last over, couple of players would be coming in. पुढच्या ओव्हर मध्ये सर, पुढच्या ओव्हर मध्ये. Time's up. You keep any number of players you want. These guys are hitting sixes for fun now. 10 balls, 28 runs to win. Still the match is not over. Yesterday Eco Green were so close to the win. The undefeatables, they snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. They can do it again because they are the team who knows to handle such situations. कल 114 रन बना के सेफ नहीं थे, आज 135 बना के सेफ नहीं है. Danish! He is the biggest monster in the smallest size. The pocket size dynamo. The little monster. 9 balls, 22 runs. 9 balls, 22 runs. 9 गेंदों में 22 रन. Danish wants the same ball, even if the ball has gone into that creek over there. वो खाड़ी में भी बॉल गया तो उसको वही चाहिए अभी. Let's get started. Danish, चलो एक ही कंपनी के एक ही प्रेशर के बॉल है. Doesn't look good on live TV. Come back. Danish, अरे काय चाललंय? Almost looking like a local tournament when you're going for searching balls. He wants the same ball. 9 balls, 22 runs to win. What a match. All the efforts which these two guys have put. Turf Addicts and his team, Vijay Mozar and his Turf Addicts team, whatever efforts they have taken, exactly for matches like this. ये इतनी सारी मेहनत हो रही है, इतना तामझाम, इतना खर्चा. All those auctions, all those arrangements, all those plannings, execution, just for matches like this. 9 गेंदों में 22 रन. It is anybody's game. They need a cool head now from the field side. And whatever all monsters are doing, they should be doing it, continuing it. It would be an exciting end. 9 balls, 22 runs to win. Crucial deliveries coming up. Eight balls, 22 runs to win. They've got 14 runs in this over so far. Eight balls, 21 runs to win. That's beautifully turned, very well bowled. 7 balls, 20 runs. This has been the same story for the last 2 days. 7 ball 19, 7 ball 25, 8 ball 37, all have been achieved. फक्त दादाला सांगू शकत नाही मी ते 8 बॉल 37. That match changed. 7 ball 25 was chased down. And yesterday they defended a match like this. Same situation. Undefeatables were yesterday. 7 balls 20 runs to win. They defended 7 balls 19 yesterday. Will they defend 7 balls 20 today? Panchal is their hero. He moves on to 46 with that sixer. That was the best and most important shot of the whole innings. 2 fielders have to come in from the boundary. 2 boundary riders, in fact, behind the umpires, though 2 fielders have to come in because of the time restrictions. They need 13 in the last 6. In fact, 14. 14 in the last 6. They will be fielding with only 9 players. Oh, that is so detrimental. That is the reason you need to save time. Six balls, 14 runs to win. Yash Kothari 1-5 के बराबर है. But even he can't do anything if the ball is 10 feet above him. यश कैन इजीली विन दिस मैच विद हिज फील्डिंग. यश के जोन में राइट में लेफ्ट में अगर 5-5 मीटर गया, यश कैन हैंडल दैट बॉल. 6 balls 14 runs. They cannot win this without 2 boundaries, and the best man to handle it is Anuj Mishra. This situation. Oh, that is the reason he should have been called before this. And I said he hits 99% of the time. He missed this by a big margin. सबसे best hitter है when it comes to hitting the ball direct, and he misses it. You cannot find a better direct hitter than Suresh. He missed it by a mile. 5 ball 13 run. I strongly think Anuj can win this one for them. 5 balls 13 to win. What an exciting match. Paisa Vasool encounter, the best match of the tournament. Oh, he has got him. That is the reason I said Anuj Mishra is needed. This man is a quality guy, the coolest head around. This man would be joking around, fooling around when the pressure is on. But he is damn sure, and he doesn't want to listen to anyone. That's the best thing. The best advice sometimes is no advice. And their best finisher comes in, Tejas Kamble. All of a sudden the match has changed. 4 ball 13 run. Danish has to come on strike somehow. Even Tejas can do it. They need a sixer in the next 2 balls. If anybody can, Anuj can. 4 balls 13 runs. 4 चेंडू 13 धावा. पुढच्या 2 चेंडूंमध्ये 1 षटकार आला. तेजस पुन्हा एकदा हिरो. तेजस कड़क कांबळे, what a player! That is the reason I said ये इनका सबसे खतरनाक फिनिशर है. क्या बात है कांबळे. हमारे पास भी एक तेजस कांबळे, हमारे कैमरामैन फोटोज निकालते, ये फोटो फिनिश करता है. 3 balls, 7 to win. 3 balls, 6 to win. The match is still not over. Anuj gets one more wicket. There would be so much drama. Chance. 2 balls, 5 runs. Anybody's game. Anybody's game. I don't want to be a bookie. I don't want to take any bets now. 2 balls, 5 runs to win. 2 balls, 5 runs to win. Even the bookies cannot give you bets for this one. 2 balls and 5 to win. No ball, oh my god. 2 balls, 4 to win. Still feel Anuj can be the savior. Oh, this is commitment to the highest level. 1 ball, 2 to win. 1-2 tie, 2 to win. They cannot win it without a boundary. Look at that man's commitment. That is the reason he is the glamour boy of underarm cricket. Danish Farooqi, Jainam Shah, Danish Farooqi, Huzaifa Khan Pathan. These are the guys who make this game big. अब क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? सिंगल निकाल के सेफ रिजल्ट लोगे? A point is almost as good as 2 points. 1 point 2 point के बराबर ही है. 1 point यहाँ पे ले लिया, क्वालिफाई हो गए. That is what he will think. If they have got 3 wins, यहाँ पे 1 point is as good as 2 points. A tie also would be beneficial for them. All monsters को 1 point 2 point के बराबर ही है. What a match! What a match! So much drama. They won the last match with 1 run. They won the last match with 1 run, undefeatables. Will that happen again? 1 ball, 2 runs to win. राम नवमी के दिन महाभारत की मैच चल रही है. 1 ball, 2 runs to win. Eric Summer Cup 2025. And it is a tie. It is a tie. It is a tie. It is a tie. And they needed that 1 point. 1 point is as good as 2 points because that will get them to 7 points. What a result. Inseparable. The best match of Eric Summer Cup 2025. बुकी के पैसे बच गए. Thank you, Krishna Dada. The man of the match of this match for his fantastic bowling and brilliant batting. 14 balls, 46. Harsh Panchal is the man of the match of this match. You cannot separate these two teams. Hats off to both the teams. Brilliant to watch. Both the teams right now are undefeated. Monsters, they have won everything. They haven't lost. Undefeatables, they have won 1 and they have drawn 1. In fact, tied 1.